welcome to my YouTube tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to do transitions in Premiere Pro. In this case, my goal is to have a constant loop from beginning to end in like Instagram Reels or TikTok. So it's like continuously going, so it's never ending. What my goal is to have a smooth transition from beginning to end. And as you can just see right there, the ending, I forgot to whip my camera. So in the beginning of the footage or the beginning of shooting, I actually whipped the camera because I wanted a transition at the end. But as you can see in the last part of my footage, I forgot to wipe. So really it's just a stop and then movement. I want full movement throughout the end of the video, so it transitions to the beginning of the video. So what I have to simply do is go here on my top left and look at video transitions, and they give you a number of selections of transitions. But what I'm looking for is more of a slide. So I'm gonna go down to slide and I'm gonna be choosing a whip. So all you gotta simply do is drag this onto the footage that you want. Let me just zoom out here a little bit. It pretty much looks like this. It's whipping the footage to the side. And that's what I want. But as you can see, it's not that good right now, because there's a whole black screen which you don't want, like a huge block that you do not want. So what I'm simply doing is putting the footage on top of one another, and I am going to try to make this as smooth as possible. It's all about timing. You just gotta get it right. What I want from this part of the footage though is to have the moving part of the camera be with the transition element, but it must be smooth as possible. And if I could do that, then it should turn out something like this. So at the beginning of the footage, it's him walking. And just in this case, to make it easier, I'm just gonna put that same footage in the front, so it's like the beginning. On Instagram, it would just be it would continue by itself. So with the music playing, like now, here, still shot, backing up, they leave the camera, and then the footage starts all over again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to transition, you would just go to the top. That'd be it. So there you go. You have it. Transitions.